Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video seems a little weird to me, not talking directly to the camera, but it's fine. I love how all of these looks turned out, and I hope you do too, and use them the next time that you wash your hair. Right here, I am just showing you an easy way to part down the middle of your hair. Just take your finger that seems the easiest to part with and follow your nose. Mine is definitely not perfect, but too perfect makes it seem like you're trying too hard, and we want this to look a little more effortless. Now I am just turning the head to the side so you guys can get a better look. I'm also picking up the first chunk of hair that I will divide in order to start Dutch braiding. Dutch braiding isn't as hard as you think it is. Honestly, how I did it is I literally just stopped thinking about it and I did it one day. Dutch braiding is where you add your add-on piece and pull it under rather than over the top like a French braid. I'm awful at explaining things, so hopefully me showing you is better, or if you can find a better video on how to Dutch braid, or maybe I can try. These looks can also be done with French braiding, but I feel the Dutch looks better because it sits on top rather than kind of blending in with the hair. Here I am just trying to show you what the back chunks look like. I guess back chunks is not the right word, but just so you can get an idea of how those look compared to the front, where I kind of just drag my fingers through. The back is a little bit different, but I just wanted to show that to you guys just in case if you never have braided before. Another thing that I want to add to this is if you guys can't pick up Dutch braiding on yourself, I cannot Dutch braid on myself to save my life. If you have a roommate or if you have a boyfriend, you can teach them, or they can kind of learn how to, and you guys can do it to each other. I do think braiding is so much easier on another person rather than yourself. So if you have someone, go ahead and grab that someone and make them braid your hair for you, so that way, and just kind of tell them like, hey, I'm gonna make this last throughout the entire week, so take your time, we're gonna get this. Now I'm just going to tie off this side that I just finished with an elastic, and then I will braid the other side real fast, and this is the most boring part of the video, so bear with me, and I promise that it is almost over. as you can see, my braid was definitely not perfect, but we went with it. This Surface Tappy Whip, you can't really see it because the light is way too bright, but this Surface Tappy Whip seriously saves my life. It is so bomb for getting rid of flyaways for whatever look, not just braids, but it's seriously amazing. You literally use a tiny drop and it lasts forever. Here I'm just showing you what this first look looks like. So for look 1, you can, if you want, if you're not going to keep these braids all day, pull the braids apart to give them more of a relaxed look. Since you're going to be sleeping on them, if you're going to make them last, you do not have to do this step because it'll do it automatically. On to look number 2, you're going to take the braid apart until you get to the nape of the neck, which is also pretty much the back of the neck. Secure with ponytails, and then you have these super cute little pigtails that you can straighten, curl, or if your hair has the crimped effect after sleeping in it for another day, you can leave it like that, however you decide. And for look number 3, you can take your ponytails out and put both sides of the braids together. So just kind of combine them, and then you can do a ponytail, or what I'm trying to do but clearly failed is a messy bun, which is also super duper cute for day 3. Look number 4, you're going to go ahead and take your braids apart until you get to about the top of your ear. I kind of cheated here, I'm sorry, but you're basically going to create a little high pony with this, and you can straighten or curl the hair or leave it crimped, however you decide. But since you have a bun or a ponytail the day before, you may want to do something up to you. You can also do a high bun with this if you want. I prefer to do a black ponytail with this rather than a scrunchie like I normally would if you are in an office, so that is why I did that. Alrighty, you guys, we are on the final look, which is look 5, and we are going to do this cute little half up, half down moment, and depending on how much you want it up is you. Depending on how greasy your hair is on day 5, you might want to put a little bit more up to you. But go ahead, and I went diagonal from the temples and let the rest hang down, and then I would probably curl, crimp, or straighten this again. You can do whatever you please. You can just leave it, whatever fit your needs. I tried to make this as many days as possible for you guys so you could go as long as possible without having to wash your hair, but I understand if you only make it to like day 3, that is fine. You can just pick your 3 favorites out of this video, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope to make another one and maybe have some more days. I really wanted this to kind of be heatless. I know that I said you can straighten, braid, or curl, but you don't have to, so it is completely up to you, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And here is the final look for day 5, how I would do it, but I cannot braid my own hair, so enjoy my lovely redheaded mannequin who does not cooperate with me, as you guys can probably tell in the beginning when I was trying to brush her hair. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to follow my social media that is now playing.